That self-cracking or popping, I should be able to self-adjust, right? But I actually have my own chiropractor as well. It feels good because it releases endorphins, which makes us feel really good. It doesn't really put a pressure through a specific joint like a chiropractor would. I should be able to self-adjust, right? But I actually have my own chiropractor as well. And the reason for that is because there's a certain alignment that it needs to be in, and it's really hard for ourselves to do that, even as myself knowing where it needs to go and what it needs to do, to put it in that correct position on that exact force in that exact segment is very, very challenging and really not able to be done by ourselves.